Where to find the best sites. Homemade beauty products. Hi. The best internet resources about how to tighten up a sagging face. These are the best resources we could find on the web. The most helpful site to learn about how to tighten up a sagging face is caloriecount.about.com. See the page titled How Does One Tighten Up the Now Sagging Skin After Weight? Here's the link. Try also our second-ranked site www.realself.com, especially the page How to Tighten Sagging Skin Without Surgery, What Works? Here's the link. If you don't find useful information on the previous sites, see 1921869.r.msn.com. The web page How to Tighten Face Skin SkinCAResearch.com. Here's the link.